Are you tired of the native design options of Power BI? Do you spend too much time to build high-quality reports inefficiently? Let me show you how you can build a beautiful design with this template pack just in a few simple steps. Select a layout, drag a content block in it, adjust the elements as you need them. You can change the size, the color, the layer order. You can duplicate and remove elements. Then you just need to export it as an image and import it in Power BI as a background. So what's included in the package? The template is in a Figma file. When you open it, you land on the cover page. If you navigate on the Hey There section, you can see a short introduction, and you can also watch a tutorial on how to use the template. Next to it, you can see the licensing agreement. Then if you go to the templates page, you have the followings, a quick description on how to use it, and next to it some useful keyboard shortcuts to make you work faster. Then you can see the colors, which are also used as styles. Below that you find 10 different layout variations, each containing sidebars, top bars, and room for the contents. Then if you scroll down, you can see the content variations. You can pick from 20 different presets, but they are all freely adjustable. In the contents there are content blocks. If you look at it closer, you can see that the block has 3 different layers, which you can hide and show by simply clicking. With this you can create any kind of layer hierarchy or grouping you might need. The blocks are set up with auto layouts, so they dynamically change their sizes if you resize an element. As you can see, you need some basic knowledge in Figma, and even if a tutorial for the template is included, my suggestion is to watch some tutorial, mostly with focus on auto layouts. If you scroll further down, at the end of the templates you can see some examples what you can build with it. Are you ready to build amazing reports? Then get the template pack now.